Hello guys, welcome to Amber Health Beauty Tips. Today I am going to share with you how to make face mask for whitening and spotless skin. So for that, first of all, here I have taken potato. As you all know guys, potato contains vitamin B and C, iron, calcium, potassium and lot of nutrients which will keep our skin lots of fiber and makes our skin brightening, and also especially potato is having bleaching properties, so it will make our skin lightening, it under eye puffness, it will change our tone and firmness, and also skin lightening and sunburn. So see guys, I have grated the potato here. So now I am going to take a vessel and then I am going to transfer these things in a pan. I have transferred all the grated potato in a pan. So you no need to grind the potato, you have to grate the potato. So my next ingredient is here. I have taken 1 cup of milk. Milk will make our skin glowing, tone improves, and also it will make our skin softening, pimple remover, as well as blackheads remover also. And I have told you already the benefits of milk. The milk is having lactic acid which will keep our skin cleansing pores and remove acne causing bacteria that gets accumulated on the surface of the skin. So my third ingredient here I have taken is Dove soap. As you all know guys, Dove soap is effective skin cleanser. It provides hydration and it is a natural moisturizer, and it will complete and balance nourishing, and Dove soap is an anti-allergenic also. So here I have grated the soap. Here I have taken just 1/4 of soap because my potato size is small. According to your potato size, you have to increase the quantity there. So you can see I have grated. Now I am going to add this Dove soap in this mixture. Now I have added potato, milk and Dove soap. Now mix all these 3 ingredients well. Try to use a wooden spatula to avoid any kind of allergic on your skin. So mix all these ingredients, keep it in a low flame, don't keep it in a high flame, that will cause to burn our remedy. You can see guys how my mixture is coming to boil. So now I am going to switch off my flame. Keep it just for 2 to 3 minutes and then you have to switch off your flame, and then you have to grind it well. No need to add any water or anything else. You have to make it cool and then you have to grind it well. See guys, I am going to grind this one, and as I have told you in my previous videos also, so whenever we are making any kind of remedies, we should not add water. If you are making water like long time storing remedies, we have to again we have to keep it for boil. So see guys, I have grind this one in a thick paste. I have not added any water or any other ingredients in it. And so after taking out from this jar, again I will keep it on the gas stove, and then again I will boil it well, because this mask we are going to store in a refrigerator for 1 month. So any of the things we are storing for long time, either we have to use the preservatives or else we have to cook well. My next ingredient here I have taken is corn flour. Corn flour is a natural moisture absorbing powder which is often used in the alternative. Now whichever the powders we are using, in that also corn flour is there. So my next ingredient is here lemon. Lemon is having antioxidant vitamin C which will helps to keep our skin damaged and premature. It is having pH level also, it will decrease the oil on the skin and reduces inflammation. If you are having sensitive skin, try to avoid lemon, or else take a skin patch test and then start using this remedy. I have taken 1 full lemon. According to you, if you are increase the ingredients, you have to add some more quantity, you have to increase the quantity also. So my next ingredient here is olive oil. Olive oil contains vitamin A, D, E and K which will keep our skin moisturizing, and it is having antibacterial effect also. so it will help to prevent the premature aging of skin also. Next, here I am having coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to bolster your skin protective barrier layer, trapping moisture inside and keeping skin supple and hydrating our skin. It will reduce the inflammation. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory properties, making the beneficial for irritating chapped skin, increase the collagen production. After mixing all these ingredients, again I am going to keep it on the gas stove on a low flame. Then cook it well for minimum 4 to 5 minutes. That's it, not more than. Just here we have to mix all the ingredients well. We are not going to cook for long time. Just for 4 to 5 minutes is enough. That also more. Just see if they are leaving the sides. You have to think that our face mask is ready. You can see my side, they are leaving our sides. So now I am going to switch off my flame, and here my face mask is ready, which will give me the 100% effect. This pack is tried and tested remedy, guys. No need to worry. Here I am making all these masks. All my remedies are tried and tested. So after that I am going to shift this into a airtight container. You can try to use a glass container. I am going to transfer this into a glass container and keep it in the refrigerator for 1 month. The shelf life of this mask is 1 month. You can store this mask for 1 month in the refrigerator. Whenever you require, you have to take 1 spoon of this mask in another bowl, in a clean bowl, and then you can add. Because we are keeping in the refrigerator, it will be tight, so we have to add according to that it will become a mask. So 1 to 2 spoon of milk, and mix it well and apply on your face, hands and feet, and leave it for just for 20 minutes, and then you can see the miraculous result of this pack. I hope you all will get the benefit with the natural ingredients. Instead of using the chemical things, we have to get benefit with the natural things. Here I have used all the natural ingredients which and all available at home itself. So no need to worry, guys, and get the benefit with all the natural ingredients. I hope you all like my video. Kindly subscribe my channel, like and share among your friends and family members. Thank you. Meet you next video. Bye bye.